Alright, y'all. So we is back. I know I had you guys waiting for a while. But we is back started on this 63 Impala. As you can see, this thing is so dusty because it's been sitting. And the reason why it's been sitting, because as you guys know, my last job required me to travel across the United States, all the way from where I'm at in Georgia to Oregon to Washington State, back. And now I quit that job. I actually quit that job because I had a new addition to the family. So now I get time to spend here at the house and mess with my cars. So as we left off, I can't remember where we left off on the last video. So I couldn't get this thing to crank. Brand new everything, you guys know, brand new fuel tank, motor's been ran through, brand new fuel pump. I just put another brand new fuel pump in it last week, and I went and got me a new regulator that's right here, and I ran new fuel lines with the I think it's the P something fuel lines. It's got the white hose in the middle of it, and I went and got this new regulator here. So what I'm gonna do is I put all this on, and come to find out, when I took my fuel tank out and took the old fuel pump out, the rubber hose that hooks to the fuel pump in there was busted. Now you guys know that was a brand new line, but it was busted. So I'm thinking that the rubber hose wasn't any good. So maybe it'll crank this time. I haven't tried to crank this car yet. This car has been giving me such a headache because I couldn't get it running the last time, and I kind of just, lost interest in it. But like I said, it's my old lady's car. I was building it for her, and so I'm gonna take this line off right here, redo this hose right here. I'm not gonna bore you guys with it, so I'm gonna do this real quick. I'm gonna just cut it off and redo it all over again, and then I'm gonna pin it back up here, and we're gonna try to see at least if we can get it to pop. You know what I'm saying? If we can get it to pop, then I know I'm in the right direction. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to start cutting that damn line off and getting the regulator set up there, make everything look nice and neat, and we'll go from there. So you guys stay tuned. So we got that wire fixed. So what I'm doing right now, I'm looking for the tool for this right here, these right here, because instead of me using the tap screw, there's already a hose right there. I don't really want to weld. I'm gonna weld this hole. I'm gonna weld this hole shut, and I'm gonna rivet it right here. Let me show you guys how it's gonna be. But let me show you. See, fix that bottom one. It ain't all frayed and ugly like it was. So I'm gonna rivet it. I'm gonna rivet it right up in here to that hose, so it can sit up in there just perfect. Yeah, we're gonna do it like that right there. Let me show you the hose that I cut off right there and redid it. So it shouldn't be no leaks. Hold on, I'll show you. I had to clean this shit up around here. Where's that thing at? It's right here. Hold on. Here it is. You see how it was all ate up around there? And when I turned the key for it was leaking fuel out of it. So that's why I redid it. So until I can get my riveting tool to rivet it up in there, I'm gonna see what I can do. See, I got two pedals. I got this pedal, and where's my other pedal? Shit. Where's the other pedal at? Hold on. I got that pedal. Let's see where that pedal is. Now where in the hell is the other pedal at? Hold on, guys. Let me see where that other pedal is. I know it's in here. Ah, here it goes. Alright, I got this pedal right here, so let's get this stuff out real quick. Let's see what I got here. Alright, so here go the original pedal. I mean the old school pedal, but new school pedal. So I'm not going to use the other pedal. Let me go get the other pedal so you guys see what I'm talking about. And see the mistake that I made. Alright. Okay. Alright, so this is what we got going on, y'all. Alright, the two pedals. Alright. Two pedals. This is the pedal that came with the motor, that was with the motor that I swapped out. I'm not going to use it, as you can see. You see the difference, right? You see the difference. Alright, so what I did was I ordered this bracket right here, which is not the right bracket for the 63 Impala to put on there. Now, would it fit? Sure. Let's see. It'll fit. The holes line up, as you can see. Right there, right there. Them holes line up. But it won't fit to the inside of the car. So that was like, I think, for a C10. So don't order this bracket. I can't send it back. So if anybody need a bracket for a C10, I sell it to you cheap. Just to get it out the way. These damn mosquitoes are bad. So what I did is I ordered the bracket from, I don't know where I ordered this damn bracket from. Who did I order from? CCP. That's the bracket I ordered right there for the 63 Impala. Bracket for the wheel. Now, this bracket that they ordered, that I ordered from them, is, as you see, it's not that thick, right? It's not that thick at all. So I think it's supposed to go like this, okay? So this goes on it like that, right? So that goes on it like that. Both holes line up, so that's how it goes right there. So, and that goes in the 63. But my thing is, it's going to bolt up like this. So this is just going, this part, this part right here is just going to be floating in the air. Now over time, since this being so thin like this, I guarantee you it's going to flex and bend, because if you see, this metal is heavy duty steel, real heavy duty. It's not as thin as this right here. This is really heavy and it's thicker. It's a little bit thicker. So I'm thinking to modify something on the back of here to touch the floor, weld it to touch the floor, so that way it won't have no flex at all. So that's the plan. That is the plan, y'all. I had to show you better than I can tell you, then we'll get back to it. But I just wanted to show you guys that. So do not order this part for your 63 Impala. Order this part, and if you can modify it, modify it. But I found a guy on YouTube that can make a block, and I'd rather have that block rather than this right here. But you can order you a 3D printer machine, the cheap one, and make your own block. But yeah, I just want to show that to you. So until I find my rivet gun, the next video I'm gonna try to start it, and I'm gonna try to start it with you guys to see if it starts. If it don't start, then it's back to the drawing board, and I'm gonna be pissed off. But I'm gonna go ahead and see what I can do with this, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so this is how the pedal go, you guys. These two nuts right here, they just screw in, so you got to torque them down. See right there? Now, this part goes, let me show you where it goes. It goes in here beside the pedal. As you guys can see, it's gonna go, these bolts gonna go right in here. Like that right there. I'll show you after I get it hooked up.